Hello, viewer. Welcome back to our channel, Ajayastro Maniguru. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of pepper markets where prices are seeing a significant surge. Stay tuned as we analyze the latest developments in domestic and international pepper prices. Over the last 8 to 10 trading sessions, pepper prices have climbed considerably in major Indian states such as Kerala and Karnataka. Specifically, there has been an increase of 200 rupees per quintal just today, accumulating to a rise of 1,400 rupees per quintal during this period. This price boost is largely driven by diminished global production due to various climatic adversities affecting key producing nations. Brazil, one of the principal pepper exporting countries, is experiencing production drops caused by unusually high temperatures. Meanwhile, Vietnam, another major producer, is dealing with declines in output. This is attributed to the aging of vineyards and extended periods of low prices, which have discouraged farmers from planting new crops. Additionally, a postponed harvest season in Vietnam is exacerbating the situation, pushing prices even higher. In Kochi, the current price for ungarbled pepper stands at 64,500 rupees per quintal, with garbled pepper at 66,500 rupees and 500 gl pepper at 63,500 rupees. Karnataka's pepper prices are also on the rise, with figures ranging from 64,300 rupees to 66,700 rupees depending on the region. Shifting our focus to Vietnam, there has been a notable increase in pepper prices, with hikes ranging between 3,000 Vietnamese dongs and 3,500 per kilogram across key provinces, now pricing at about 150,000 Vietnamese dongs to 151,000 per kilogram. Even with stable global free on board (FOB) prices for most origins, countries like Vietnam and Indonesia are reporting slightly reduced rates due to the ongoing harvest. Here are some current FOB quotes for black pepper. Brazil Aster, $6,325 per metric ton. Vietnam 500 gl, $6,350 per metric ton. Vietnam 550 gl, $6,650 per metric ton. Indonesia Aster, $6,838 per metric ton. Malaysia, RM 8,700 per metric ton. That wraps up our analysis for today. The global pepper market continues to be influenced by a variety of factors including climate conditions, production challenges, and market demand. Be sure to subscribe for more updates and analysis on commodity prices from around the world. Thank you for watching Ajayastro Maniguru. See you in the next video.